Hello friends, welcome to this week's Mortgage Minute. I'm your host, Jason Drobeck with Neo Home Loans. The NAR, the National Association of Realtors, just released a startling graphic showing how appraisal issues have impacted home sales in 2021. From May of 2020 to May of 2021, we saw an increase in the appraisal delaying the transaction rise from 18% to 26%. And the appraisal terminating the contract, so basically failing from the appraisal, rise from 6% to 13%. Wow, that means 1 in 8 transactions is failing simply because of the appraisal. Now, first off, we need to understand why this is happening. So let's walk through that. Let's assume you're going to look at a property tonight with your family that was just listed for $500,000. Now, with the very limited supply of homes currently, that $500,000 price point is likely setting the new benchmark for that neighborhood, style of home, the area, whatever it might be, but at probably the very new tippy top. In order to win the offer on the home, you agree to pay the sellers $550,000. Very common in most markets right now. Here's where the appraiser runs into issues. The 500 price point, the 500,000 original price point, can barely be accounted for with recent comparable sales. But then there's no recent sales to support that $550 that you've agreed to pay. Therefore, unfortunately, the appraisal report does have a chance of coming in low. So at this point, unless you've built in an appraisal gap strategy into your pre-approval planning process, you might end up walking away from this deal since you don't have sufficient cash to cover that appraisal gap. So here at Neo, we've created the appraisal gap strategy that will solve this issue. How? We restructure your mortgage to a lower down payment, buy out the mortgage insurance if we end up above 80% loan to value, and in most cases, we can keep you at the same cash to closing we began with, and with little change to your mortgage payment. I know this is complex, so if you'd like to learn more about the appraisal gap strategy, I encourage you to reach out to me so we can walk through it together and make sure you don't lose that new home that you love so much. Have a great week, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.